गोय पुलीस फुटबॉल कपाची 19वी आवृत्ती सुरू जाल्या। GFA राज्य पुलिसांच्या सहकार्यान ही फुटबॉल सर्त घडोवन हाडटले। या खेळाचो प्रचार करपा खातीर ही सर्त लाईव्ह प्रसारित करतले। पळयात पुराय बातमी।
As you all are aware that this is the 19th edition of Goa Police Football Cup, and as per reports, the Goa Police has completed more than 15 years of championship, which itself is the big achievement. With the support of all participating teams and Goa Football Association, we are announcing the 19th edition of Goa Police Football Cup, which will start from 10th of November to 19th of November. We are grateful to the Goa Football Association for their support in organizing every edition of Police Cup, and we are hopeful for their support in future. Thank you.
Thank you, madam, for your valuable work. Now I would like to request Sir Caetano Fernandez, GFA President, to say a few words.
Good morning, everyone. Thank you very much for your time, also, and entire teams, my Vice President, Secretary, and press media. Thank you very much for all your support for football. And this is a special day which we are announced today, 19th edition of Goa Police Football Cup. It is a big privilege to be part of Goa Police Cup, and I hope all team who is going to participate will be fight for the cup and show the talent what we have in Goa. First time in Police Cup history, this will be live telecast. This has never happened. So on the ground we can enjoy, but who cannot come on the ground, so they can also watch these matches from home. Apart from this, we are planning this year to have 4 venues. One is our own Guler ground, Seza Football Academy, Giri Football, and Ella Football Ground, Kodugu. So let's play and let's enjoy football game in football spirit. Thank you very much.
GOA365 खातीर विन्सन रोजारियो, सुभाशिश गोवेकार आनी संगीता ओली।